So in this video, what we're going to look at is how to export a file for the purposes of sharing the automation. So in this context, it's to share this on Learn. But regardless, this is how you can export the file. So you can access the file through My Flows, and then you go to Export, and then you go to package.zip, and you give it a name here. You only have to, with the asterisk, the red asterisk, that's all you have to put in there. So we're just going to give it a name. And then we're going to hit export. So then save this in a location where you can find this. Now what we're going to do, we're going to import it back in. So this is what is necessary for making the documentation. What it will help you do is to identify the linkages and walk the recipient of the file, which in this context is the grader, to upload the file and then link it to their account as well as their spreadsheet so that they can see that the automation is working properly. So you go into here, go to import legacy package. And so we've imported the file we downloaded, and you can see there's some issues with the file here because we have to set it up so that it can be imported because it came from a different environment. These connections won't work, and this is where in the assignment I've asked you to work with someone that wasn't involved in the actual creation of the file, so use another team member to do this. So when you import it, you can try to reconnect it. So for the purpose of this one, I'm just going to connect it to my accounts. So you're going to select create as new. So I'm just going to give it a name so that we can see it was done properly. And so we have green check marks here, so that means it was imported properly. You can see here that it says all packages and resources were successfully imported. The flow has been created successfully. Run the flow to make sure it's working. Then we can click open the flow there. And you can see that this is the same flow that we worked on in the warm-up workshop. So this is what is required for the documentation purposes for you to recreate this and then create documentation around this and guide the grader through how to do that. So hopefully that helps, and we will see you soon.